Al-Jalil, the majestic, full of glory and honor.
Al-Karim, the generous, who bestows without limit.
Ar-Raqib, the watchful, observing all that happens. Al-Mujib, the responsive, answering every sincere call. Al-Wasi', the all-encompassing, whose mercy and knowledge surround everything. Al-Hakim, the all-wise, whose decisions are perfect and just. Al-Wadud, the loving, whose love embraces all creation. Al-Majid, the glorious, full of greatness and honor.
Al-Ba'ith, the resurrector, who brings the dead back to life.
Ash-Shahid, the witness, aware of everything seen and unseen. Al-Haq, the truth, whose existence is certain and eternal.
Al-Wakil, the trustee, managing all affairs with perfection.
Al-Qawi, the all-strong, whose power never weakens. Al-Mateen, the firm, whose strength cannot be shaken.
Al-Wali, the protecting friend, guiding and supporting his servants.